This is an Apple version of Time and Price Symmetry. What you can see here is the Apple quarterly chart going back to all-time history. You see we have a logarithmic chart and we draw the retracements from basically all of the histories that we can see. Then we've zoomed into the weekly chart and have also drawn the retracements on the stock. We see there's a double bottom there in 2013, which has led to this current run, and there's our swing up. There's our additional swing when we took out the 2012 high, and if we go back we can reference the 2008 low to see where our current projection is in the market. We see that we had a perfect 50% retracement at that low, which we'll put in right there. And the double bottom at the 50% has now giving us a 144.50 price projection, which goes from the 08 low to 2012 high to the 2013 low. Now if we zoom into the daily chart, we can get a little bit more data. We're going to fill in the time symmetry, and we'll start by going back at least a year right now to see when the turn dates have come. The important thing to notice so far on the time symmetry is that we seem to have middle of the month and end of the month time symmetry dates in terms of trend changes. And as we notice, we'll see that some of the dates line up exactly, and we'll see that the 15th and the last day of the month, depending on the month, are indeed time symmetry turn dates. Moving forward, we see that the middle of the month still shifts, but we are now in the 25th and 26th at a pretty consistent rate. We also have 8-8, 9-9, and then 10-9 pretty consistently as well. So if you see currently in October, we had 10-9 and 10-15, perfect, beautiful time symmetry. Zooming in closer, this is a 360-minute real-time hours chart. We failed to take out a new high. We had a quadruple chop or really deep retracement there, which gave us a perfect ABC projection with the October 15th low. That basically said once we finish there, we go to new all-time highs. Of course, that happened. Now, in real time, we need to figure out what the hell Apple is doing with itself. And we do know that from the low that was seen on the primary chart here, the 60-minute chart, we had a contracting triangle, which broke up to new highs. And now we see that we are in this little wedge here. We have basically perfect 12.5% retracements on the way up, indicated by the orange line, which shows us in our history where the market has made. We had that double top projection come in that led to the 12.5, and then we've had this 5-wave up beautiful pattern, which has now left us at this 12.5, 50% cluster. So let's draw those retracements to see where our current high came in. Remember, the market is not random. 1, 2, 3, 4. We've done our first projection, and that we took wave 1 through 3, added it to 4. We have 100% 127.2. We also take the other projection that we saw there, which was wave 1 through 4, and added it to the other low. That gives us two numbers. We took that as our 5th wave projection level. We added them together, divided by 2, and there we are. Now in real time, we clean up the chart. We have the 50, 86, and 200 day moving averages, although these aren't day, these are based on the 15-minute bars right now. And it appears that we are in another contracting triangle. I would think that we favor the upside. 144 is my bull market high projection for Apple stock between 2015 and 2016. Thank you.